How to enable wake screen notifications on Samsung One UI. Change any style of icon you like, or use the app's original icon when a notification arrives. First, you need to prepare custom icons. You can create them yourself using the One UI gallery or the Photoroom app on the Play Store. This is the default wallpaper of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock or Find Lock on Play Store. Makeup tab. Install Edge Lighting Plus plugin. Enable. Set custom style. You can use the available icons, or add custom icons. Advanced. Custom size. Select effects. You need open settings. Notifications. Notifications pop-up style. Change to brief style. Enable brief pop-ups even while screen is off. Now, test your notifications. Enable to show app icon instead of custom style image. Custom, any image you want. Turn off to return default.